Okay, welcome back to Deluxe Detail. Now, if you've ever been here to the car wash after you've had your car cleaned, we've had you run your hand across the car and you've felt that sandy sort of effect, or wondered why things stick to your paint so easily, especially at this time of year. We have a lot of those little yellow dots and bits of pollen and insect stuff all over the car. And I know as a consumer, you see it on the car and you think, well, it should just wash off. Well, it depends on your paint condition. If your paint has pollution all over the top of it, when that stuff lands on it, it sticks to it. It gives it something to bind to. So today we're going to show you what you should expect from the car after that's been done. So it is really important to keep the car polished, and that will protect it against things staining it or marking it. But this next step is a clay and polish. So we sell this as the works service here at the car wash, and we developed this directly from preparing cars for detail. So obviously when you're using a machine on a car, you don't want that roughness on the paint. As the machine's working away, it'll be rubbing the pollution all over the paint job. Realise that not everyone can wait or afford a cut and polish, and preventative maintenance is the best thing. So we developed our work service, and that is exactly a wash. Once the car has been washed and rinsed, we'll proceed to clay the entire vehicle, and that will dissolve 95% of all the pollution off the top, and to the skin and to the hand it'll feel silky smooth. We seal that up with a nice hand polish, and then you're on your way. So when things land on that car again, once it's been clayed, all it's sticking to is that polished surface. It doesn't have the roughness, it doesn't have the pollution or the fallout or whatever you'd like to call it. And when it comes time for washing again, it should just wash straight off the polish. Now, when that polish dissolves after a number of washes, you will need to polish it again. Otherwise the pollution and everything else is just going to start sticking to the clear coat. I hope you enjoy what you've seen today. If you have any questions at all about your paint, feel free to ask. You can email us, you can call, you can drop in and say hello to me. I'm Jared, and we can come up with a solution to fix your car. So let's get started.